Okay, hi guys, it's Mrs. Milson again. We're doing the Check Your Understanding on page 149. Okay. In the chapter opening case study, the Starnes family arrived at Old Faithful after it had erupted. They wondered how long it would be until the next eruption. So here's a scatter plot that plots the interval between consecutive eruptions of Old Faithful against the duration of the previous eruption, okay, for about a month prior to their visit. Describe the direction of the relationship and explain why this makes sense. Okay, our direction, since it's going up, it's positive, okay? And what positive means is that lower duration times, smaller duration times are match with shorter intervals between eruptions, okay? Longer duration times match with longer intervals between interruptions, okay? So when something is a positive association, the smalls go with the small and the larges go with the large, okay? As opposed to negative. 2 says, what form does the relationship take? The only form we're concerned about is linear, and this looks pretty linear, okay? If you imagine drawing a line over top of it, it's pretty linear, okay? Fairly linear. Why are there 2 clusters of points? Because a majority of the eruptions are short and they're fast, the interval's short, or they're longer, about 4.5 minutes, and the intervals are longer between them, okay? There's a few in between, but a majority are short that are short durations with small intervals and large durations with longer durations with larger intervals, okay? 3, how strong is relationship? All right, we'll quantify this coming up, but you know, again, if I draw that line, it's fairly strong. I mean, the dots don't make a straight line, so it's not super strong, but I would say it's fairly strong, okay? Because the dots, they're in a linear form. They're not super tight, okay? They're not all along that imaginary line, but they're somewhat close. Okay, are there any outliers? Again, if we draw our imaginary line, these guys are a little above, he's a little out there, these are a little low, but a majority of them are still in this line. So there could be a few outliers, maybe him, but again, we'll quantify that later on, okay? What information does the Starnes family need to predict when the next eruption will occur? They need to know how long the last eruption was, because if they can come over here to the last eruption was 3 minutes, they know that they're going to wait about 75 minutes till the next eruption. If they know the eruption was only 2 minutes, they know they're going to wait roughly 55 minutes, okay? So they're going to use the length of the eruption to predict how long they have to wait till the next eruption. Explanatory response. Okay, great. See you all next time.